وشفيع نفوسنا أبا القاسم محمد وعلى آل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين، لا سيما بقية الله روحي وأرواح العالم.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
Same ugly nature which is transgressing against that, or transgressing against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that gave me everything that I have. But one of the worst things, the worst effects, when you ask Amir al-Mu'mineen, what's one of the worst effects of sin? He says one of the worst effects is if you indulge in sin to such a level that Allah hardens your heart. In Karbala, there were 30,000 hearts that were hardened. Be sure this is a battle like no other. This is a battle where I guaranteed my army that there will be heads that will be severed. There will be hands that will be cut. Such will be the war that we will be honored to fight, and that's what we're going to tell our master Yazid. Upon hearing this, I want you to imagine a scenario. Every time that I say trample on the body, someone comes up, someone raises a hand, a tribe comes to protect. Why? Is there no one in Karbala that doesn't have a tribe, doesn't have a people, doesn't have a mother or father to protect them? They say there is one person in Karbala. أي المنتظرين يتبعون العاقبة للمتقين. مهلا حسين يا حسين يا حسين صلوات على محمد وآل محمد. Please prepare for
يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Abi de